Well guys, I thought I would do another GoPro video where I'm wearing it on my head, and it's really hard to see when I wear it because I put it in front of my eyes. Like my eyes are right here, so I'm like looking at the top of the GoPro, and I mean, it's not that bad. It just looks really weird from other people's perspective. That's why I don't do it too much. So I don't know if you guys are noticing, but the car is doing a lot of bouncing like this, and it's not the camera, that is actually the car. Like inside the cabin, that's what I'm doing, is bouncing up and down. And that's because I maxed the rebound on the coilovers all the way stiff. Hold on, there's a GR86 right here. Since I maxed out the rebound, the suspension is basically not adjusting as much as it should, so I'm literally following the road. So this is just how the roads are. The roads are just bouncy enough that it's making the car bounce up and down consistently like that. I don't know if you guys noticed too much, but the people around here drive like complete animals. Alright, so I changed up the camera's angle a little bit, and I didn't realize I was going slow. Just gonna be casually driving past people with a camera in my face. Nothing to see here. Nothing at all. Oh, yep, he's looking. Alright, I decided to hang you guys off the sun visor because, well, when the GoPro was here, my hat kept falling down in front of my face and I couldn't see. So I thought, like this, now I can speak to you guys at the same time as driving. Sitting in traffic with a manual car can be annoying to regular people, but to me, it makes it more fun. Gives me something to do since I'm sitting here doing like absolutely nothing. So every time I go, I have to give it gas, come off the clutch only halfway, and then give the car more gas to make sure I'm not stalling out, push the clutch in, let it coast until I have to brake at the next car. Yeah, it sounds like a lot of work for a regular person. They just take their foot off the brake, the car rolls, and they stop. You know, pretty simple, but pretty boring at the same time. You guys ready to hear why Illinois has the absolute worst roads? Fresh construction, they just fixed this spot. Let's hear how it sounds when my car drives over this little tiny bump right here. Yeah, I was doing the speed limit. Speed limit's 45. I just went over that going 5 miles an hour mark. Fresh construction, just fixed it. Feels great. The camera moved. I didn't mean for it to do that, but